Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use printables in Goodnotes. Printables are digital files that can be printed. In this case, they are the planner pages that you bought from Etsy, or maybe you got them from Pinterest. You can print them out or use them digitally. There are several ways to do this. We're going to start with dragging and dropping individual pages into Goodnotes. For the purpose of this video, it's going to be specific to the 2022 Celestial Planner from my Etsy shop. Okay, so with the Goodnotes main menu open, swipe from the bottom for the menu bar to open, press and hold the Files app, which is this folder icon, and drag it to the side. Go to your downloaded folder. In this case, you can choose whether you want to browse from individual pages folder or the pages by category. I'm going to go with pages by category. To begin, I'm going to drag the cover page into Goodnotes first. So I just press it and hold and drag it into Goodnotes as such. Now it's there. So you want to open that. Tap on the 4 squares icon up here. This menu allows us to manage and organize our pages. This shows you thumbnails of all the pages that you'll be adding into the planner. It's just easier that you can see everything. For this video, I'm just gonna create a monthly planner. So now you can start browsing. I'm gonna start with the monthly folder. I'm gonna look for the August cover page and drag that in here. You can either add the pages one by one like I just did, or you can add them in batches. To add more files at a time, you want to tap on this icon here and select. So you choose all the files that you want to add into Goodnotes. I'm going to choose this one, and then just drag them like that. So I'm just going to carry on and add more pages to Goodnotes. Yeah, so I think I have all the pages that I need. I'm gonna swipe this aside out of the way. So for the monthly planner, I have the cover page, I have a month at a glance page, a calendar, expenses, weekly planner, daily planner, mood tracker, habit tracker, a gratitude log, and a monthly review page. And now the next step is to organize. You can rearrange, delete, duplicate, add an outline, and bookmark your pages. To rearrange or move your pages, you just select on a page, long press on it, and then just move it anywhere you want. I'm gonna move that back up here. If you want to delete a page, you want to press on the mini drop down icon here and select move to trash. I'm not gonna delete any pages here, but if you want to do it, this is how you do it. To delete more than one page, you want to tap on select here and then select all the pages that you want to delete and tap on trash, and they will all be gone. I'm not going to delete any pages right now. Another option to delete a page is to go out of this menu and then tap the 3 dots up here and then move page to trash. But you can only delete one page at a time. Now, to duplicate a page, on the page that you want duplicated, tap on the mini drop down, tap on duplicate. The new page should appear right next to it. If you want to copy more than one pages, again tap select and then select the pages that you want to duplicate or copy. Tap on copy up here, tap done, and then go to where you want a page to be pasted. I want to paste it right next to this page, so I'm gonna tap on this drop down icon here. I'm gonna add the pages after and then paste them. You can paste the pages anywhere you want in Goodnotes. Doesn't have to be right next to it. You can paste it here or maybe here. I'm gonna delete those. If you want to copy and paste pages outside of this menu, let's close this one. So maybe you want to copy the weekly pages that we just added. Hold on, let me get to here. So you want to press the plus icon here. You want to choose whether you want to add the pages before this page, after this page, or towards the last page of this planner, and then just tap on paste pages, and then those are the new pages. So from this view you can also copy the page from here, but this is just for this page. Right now for the daily planner pages, you only have 7 pages, so you can easily select all of the pages here, copy, and then paste it so that you have enough for the month. Okay, so once you're happy with your page arrangements, maybe you already know which pages you'll be wanting to access the most. Bookmarking the page will help you find the page faster. To bookmark or favorite a page, simply tap on the bookmark icon up here. It will turn red when bookmarked. So maybe I want to favorite the calendar, a master to-do list, a weekly planner, daily planner page, my trackers. So right now we're in thumbnails view. If you go to favorites view, you only see the pages that you've bookmarked. Just tap on the icon again to remove it from your favorites list. When you're out of this menu, you can also bookmark the page from here. Here you'll see there's also an outlines menu. So it says here outlines is maps for your documents. So creating an outline enables you to quickly find and navigate from page to page. It'll be a bit of a tedious process at first, but you'll most likely have to do this only once. This will be convenient if you're gonna have a lot of pages, which you will most likely have. To do that, let's go back to the thumbnails view. I'm gonna start adding my pages to the outline. So you want to tap on the drop down icon here, add page to outline, and start naming your pages. You don't necessarily have to name all of the pages, it's going to be a lot. If you have a lot of sections, maybe you just want to add the first page of the section to your outline. So for example, here I've added the first page of the weekly planner, the first page of the daily planner, and the rest individually, because that's all I need to jump to that section. To see your outline, just tap on the outlines tab up here. And then these are the pages that you've added. If you tap on one of the pages, it will take you straight to it. If you want to rename the page, if you want to add more outline or remove the outline, go back to thumbnail view, go to the page that you want to edit, tap on the icon here, manage outline, and then you'll have the options to do that. Another way to import the printables is by importing the collated PDF file. All of the individual pages that we see earlier is already collated into one PDF file. So with the the files that you've downloaded, there should be the first one should be 2022 Celestial Planner. So you want to drag that into Goodnotes. You can actually rename your planner here. So just tap on the drop down here and then just rename your planner there. So this is the one that we've just added. So with this file, if you see here, all of the files, all the pages are already in here. If you decide to import this PDF file, you can browse this way. You can select the pages that you want to delete from here and rearrange the pages from here as well. There are a lot of pages here. If you don't want to deal with all 700 plus pages, you can drag and drop the pages individually like we did before. Again, here you can also add your own outlines. In your download pack, let's open the Files tab again. In your download pack, you should also receive the 2022 Celestial Planner with outline. Let me just drag that into Goodnotes and show you what that looks like. So for this file, the outlines have already been pre-created. As I said, this file, the outline was already pre-made outside of Goodnotes. If you use this file, you might not want to delete anything as it might mess up the outline. But the outline for this file is quite detailed. I've created the outline, grouped them by the categories. So depending on how you want to use the planner, if you just want to use a small number of pages, you can drag and drop the pages individually so that it's easier for you to manage. If you don't plan to delete or rearrange the pages, you can import this file with the outlines already created. If you want to use the majority of the page and only wanting to delete some pages, then you can add in the 2022 Celestial Planner file. Oh, you can also create a category. You can also create a file for each of the categories that you want. So go to pages by category. So maybe I want to create a file for just project management. I can tap on the folder, and then I'll start by dragging the project management cover page. Open it, and then select all except for the cover page, and then just import everything on the project management file. So now I have a file for just project management. If I go back, that's the project management file, and then you can repeat that for other categories that you want to add. So it can be a health category, student category, or travel. And I manage the pages from there. I know this is specific to the 2022 Celestial Planner, but this can apply to other printables that you buy elsewhere from Etsy. Yeah, that's it. That's all I can think of for now. Thank you.